Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you're at in the world. This is Chris again, the Watchdogs, coming with another video. Today's video is a quick unboxing. These are two watches that I've never really had a chance to check out yet on the channel. This is from my buddy Luke. I will leave his Instagram link down below. Thanks again, Luke, for letting me borrow these watches. Quick wristwatch check. I'm indeed still wearing that TSO PRX. Look for a full review of that coming soon, as well as this Christopher Ward C63, as I will have to get this on their next reviewer soon and send this over to them. But these are two watches, as mentioned in the title, is the JLC Reverso and the Hamilton Murph. As you guys know, the Hamilton Murph was nicknamed the Murph because the character that Matt McConaughey played in Interstellar was named Murph, and he wore that watch in said movie, so that's why it is nicknamed the Murph. And the Reverso is a watch that I've wanted to check out for a little while. Now, this iteration here is the green one that he let me borrow. I'll show you both watches on the unboxing here on the desktop, or the tabletop rather. But the JLC Reverso that I would probably personally choose would either be the duo face, because you get two watches in one, or I would choose either like a white dial or a black dial, possibly a blue dial. I do like the new red dial, but this green dial is pretty cool. I do know why Luke chose the green dial, because I do think green is his favorite color. And again, Luke, I appreciate you for lending this to the channel. Let me take a look at this, and I will show you guys the stud watches. Now, Luke was kind enough to send in the boxes for the unboxing of the video, but I chose not to show them, as you guys pretty much know what all the boxes look, and it gets kind of boring, rather monotonous in every single unboxing video. So he did have them in his custom travel roll here, which is pretty cool, three-piece travel roll. He does have a pretty big collection, guys, and here are these stud watches. Here is that Hamilton Murph, which is a pretty cool watch. It is a rather big watch, especially for the size, but again, it wears on my wrist pretty well overall. Look for a full review of this one coming up as well very soon. I do like the characteristics on the watch. Very cool, kind of quirky. Hamilton, something kind of different, something kind of unique. And again, the TLC Reverso, which is one that I've always wanted to kind of check out. I was able to check out one about a year ago to AD in Raleigh, and it was a bit of the smaller version. I believe this is the large. This does fit my big wrist pretty well, guys, which I would probably go for the large version as well. Like I said, either black dial, blue dial, or duo face. Just because the classic duo face, you get two watches in one. And again, I do thank you, Luke, for letting me borrow these two watches. First time actually getting to try on a JLC for a little bit and test driving it. So I definitely growing on me, and I may eventually add one to the personal collection at some point. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments on the JLC Reverso or the Hamilton Murph. Which one would you choose? I mean, obviously, I think the winner is probably going to be the JLC, guys. But anyways, guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.